Hello, my name is Jason Lockwood, and I'm about to conduct a walkthrough of the online Dr. Tom website. I've got a user here that's going to go through and find the medicine for skin rash. Okay, I'll hand over to the user now. Please talk through the interaction with the website and your views and opinions as and when you encounter them. Okay?
Okay, I'm going on to the search panel and I'm typing in skin rash.
Yes, okay. So,
I'm pressing enter.
right.
I'm checking the list.
Right. How are you going to scroll down?
I'm going to use this and this here. No, I use it.
Right. Please talk through.
I'm going through. It's nothing there I can see at the moment. I might need to type. I'm looking specifically for skin rash on the back of the hand, so I'm going to type that in the search engine.
Okay. So how would you do that? Talk me through.
Right, so I'm enlarging, simply saying, instead of saying simply skin rash, I'm going to say specifically where the skin rash occurs. So I've typed in skin rash on the hand and I've now pressed enter. Again, herpes treatment.
Is there anything there that
Christina gear up for her abdominal was in finding using it.
Okay.
No, there's nothing specifically there.
Okay. What would you think to do? What do you think to do now?
Well, I'll go back to the search engine and see if there's
Are you gonna? Okay.
maybe into something in.
What are you going to type in now?
Hand skin rash.
So you've changed the order of the.
Change the words all that and see if that can give me a better range of subtopics. I press enter. Now again.
Okay. Where do you think there might be the other opportunity to look for other products on the website?
There is a need help using the website.
Okay.
That might be one option, or there's a question panel where I can type in a question there. Perhaps I'll get a response, or I can check products and services. I think I tried products and services. I'd rather get a result on the computer without asking questions. So I'm going to products, men's health, ask a GP, weight loss, skin.
Okay. So what would you click on?
How or key information. I'll try key information first. The treatments menu.
Looks like some of the stuff comes off the screen. How would you look at the rest of it?
Yeah, I'll use the scroll panel at the side. Oh, this looks, yes, this is, yeah. I'm just reading through the various options. Acne skin treatment and acne treatments available. Acne, we cannot treat this. A mild to moderate acne. You should not use this service. Assessment turnaround time.
Is this the type of treatment you're looking for or product you're looking for?
I think I might find the solution to what I want on this section. In pharmacy collection, choosing I've read that. I'm going back to look at how the service works.
Okay, so how would you get back up there? Yes, so you're clicking on what you're clicking on now.
How our service works, click to expand. Complete an online assessment and upload 2 photographs of your acne. One of our doctors will look at your response and if an appropriate
Right.
Yes, I think this would, yeah. You need to upload 2 photographs, so that's going to, and that acne treatment assessment is free.
How would you feel about taking photographs of your ailment and uploading the to understand?
Well, it says begin the acne treatment assessment free, so I'd need to click on that presumably, and then
Yes.
supply the information that requests.
So let's see what happens when you do
So
that.
I'm going to do a test run now.
So what's happening?
It's loading the treatment assessment.
And what are you feeling at the moment?
I don't know. It seems to be taking some time to load up. I don't know how much information is on there. Nothing seems to be happening at the moment.
Okay. Do you want to cancel that,
I think
or
I'll
do you want to
cancel.
continue waiting?
I'll wait a few more minutes, and then if not, I'll cancel it and try again.
Okay. Just so you know, there's no wrong or right answer for this.
No.
It's if you feel it's the wrong thing to do,
No,
please proceed as you would do if I wasn't
Yeah,
here.
I'll close it down
Okay.
and I'll try it again. Please click on that. Yeah.
Okay. What are your thoughts this time?
It might be there's a lot of information to load up. That's why it's taken so long.
Just moving on with some of the other tasks. How does the web page let you know that you are making progress?
It simply says it's loading. There's no time bar to say how much has been loaded or how long it's going to take to download. So I don't know if there's if it's frozen or what. I'm just waiting.
Okay. What is the most important part of the information visible right now?
But the whole screen, the background screen is got a grey tinge over it. there's a panel that says it's loading, but it's gone a little bit darker.
No, I think that's because the PAM
No,
has
I
been no
don't
activity.
think. Yeah, it's
Okay.
taken some time to. Yeah.
Okay. So remember the task you're hoping to achieve is to find out information on medicine for skin rash. Okay. That's
I think
the goal of this.
Well,
How do you feel you're progressing with this,
Well,
that
I was
goal?
quite pleased with the progress up to begin acne treatment assessment free, but when I clicked on that, it's taken a long time to download, and I'm on a fast computer at the moment, so with a pretty good Wi-Fi connection.
Okay.
So I think
Right.
that's
So
something
do
that
you want to
needs to
continue
look at.
waiting, or do you want to move on?
Well,
The object in mind is to try to find out information on and potentially purchase skin rash medication.
but
What is your feelings at the
their
moment?
online treatment service looked. I was quite pleased with it up to begin the assessment, begin the acne treatment assessment free, but then it took so long, and I still haven't had a download on that.
Okay, so
I think cancel that again.
how will you progress from this point?
Well, I'll go back to key information, see if there's something further on there I can look at.
Okay, what are you doing now?
Key information. No, I'm using the scroll bar to.
It looks like it shrunk back again.
I need to expand. No, that's it.
So, and you're scrolling down now.
I'm
right?
scrolling down to see all the various options.
So is there anything that allows you
Acne
to...
treatment is available. Acne you cannot treat if you're not using it.
If you feel you're not making any progress on your task, you can state that. If you
I think maybe I would have had to get into a live chat
Okay. Would you like
with
to try that?
either using a website.
Okay.
That's the 020-7224-2835.
Is that what you would do at this stage?
That's what I would do at this case.
Okay. Okay.
The begin the acne treatment assessment free, that page needs to improve in downloading, but as a second option, I've got the option to get a phone and speak to somebody with my problem. So I think that
Okay. Right. Okay. Next question. How would you recognise any mistakes? Does the web page help you identify them?
no, it showed me my various options, but it doesn't show where I've gone wrong.
Okay.
What I do like is
Either have a live chat or have a telephone conversation. Remember, we're looking at the usability of this website. Is it intuitive to use? Does it help you achieve what you want to achieve? And given the task that I just outlined to you.
yeah. Could I say the computer I'm using at the moment is not my normal one. So my normal computer, I can move myself way around the page, no problem at all. If I was using this website, I would do exactly the same thing. Fill in the search engine, see what options are available. Obviously, if that could be done, that's a route I go down. But the fact I'm able to speak to someone on the phone or do a live chat by typing in information, those are two options which I think is vital to, particularly on a medical website like this. So overall, it's impressive.
Okay. Right. Thank you very much for your help today. Given that feedback, I'll draw this to a close. Thank you very much for your help.